In the last chapter, we compared frontier models against locally hosted alternatives. Now let's see how those local models actually get deployed. Domino lets you run open source models on your own infrastructure, experiment with configurations, and compare these against external baselines. Here, I've registered a number of open source models, such as this Quen version, which fits on a single GPU. I'm looking to balance performance against cost, like in many enterprise deployments, but could easily experiment with different hardware and models. I can also fine-tune these models before deploying, and Domino will version and govern each iteration. As I set up the model-serving endpoint, I can adjust configurations and determine who has access. Domino exposes an OpenAI-compatible API, so my agent code doesn't need new packages or major overhauls as I swap out models. The key point here is that this model runs entirely inside your Domino deployment, on your infrastructure. Incident data, which might include PII, system names, or security vulnerabilities, never leaves your network. Now let's look at performance. Domino gives me real-time visibility into everything I need to know about the model, including requests and errors, token throughput, latency, and GPU utilization. I can see immediately if the model is keeping up with demand or if I need to scale up. And because Domino uses the same experiment tracking for local models as it does for external APIs, I can run the same evaluation suite against both. If I need better performance, I have options. I can select a larger hardware tier, deploy a bigger model, or fine-tune on domain-specific data. Domino tracks all of these configurations the same way, keeping them versioned, reproducible, and auditable. You get lower costs than API providers, security that satisfies your most cautious stakeholders, and the same observability you'd expect from a managed service. In the next chapter, we'll add additional layers of protection, governance policies, and a reusable guardrails agent that sanitizes inputs and outputs across your entire organization.